everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am continuing to embellish Freddie. I just finished him and I've added some beadwork, just very simple beadwork to the stars in his hair. I added 2 beads on his cheek and 1 bead in this eye and 1 bead in his other eye, just clear silver line Toho beads. And I thought I would continue to explore embroidery stitches. I am just stringing, I have a 3-ply of floss. It's DMC 816 in case you care. This is a milliner's needle. I think it's a number 3 or something. I don't remember the number. And it's got a sharp point. That's the problem. You have to use your other needle, because other kinds of needles, because cross stitching like tapestry needles are well, they're blunt. They're just not going to work. So I think what I'm going to do is I've drawn a circle around the perimeter of the hoop, following the shape of the hoop just by eye. And I'm going to do, I think, like a rainbow of floss. And I think I'm going to do just a straight, like a backstitch, I think. Because it's simple, but it's effective. I can add more to it if I feel like. So I've made a knot in my floss and come up, and I did a stitch, and I'm coming up, and the loop I made back here is to catch the tail. Now, I know there is a funny thing about backstitching among cross-stitchers. They don't like doing it, but it is the simplest, easiest look to, achieve. It makes your piece so much more defined, and you have the option too to be a little bit more painterly with your floss, because with cross stitches, I mean, you're laying down a big block of color with each stitch, which is great. I love that about cross stitching. It's my favorite thing. So I'm just gonna keep at this until we're done, and I'll show you at the end. As an experiment for my rainbow border here, I used 2 strands of the red and the orange, and for the yellow and the green I used 4 strands, and then for the blue and purple I used all 6. So I mean, it doesn't get any simpler of a stitch than backstitch. So if you want to try it on your next project, cross-stitching, you should, because I think it gives you a really good frame. I mean, it's really simple. So if you want to see this channel grow and thrive, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. I've already made a knot on the back, but that wasn't on purpose, in that tangled in that it, wow, what did I do? Holy crap. Harder than it looks, harder than it looks, harder than it looks to film this stuff.